Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Subscribe and start your daily yoga practice today. This is a 10-minute yoga flow for complete beginners. All levels will probably enjoy. No props are needed. Let's begin in a child's pose. Bring your big toes together. The knees are about mat width distance. You're going to walk your hands forward, out and away from you. On an exhale, bring your forehead down to the mat. Bring your awareness to the present moment. An easy, available way to do that is to bring your awareness to the breath. Breathe in and out through the nose as best as you can. And if your mind begins to wander, bring it back to what you feel in your body right now and how each breath has a beginning, has an end, and you are right here, right now. Press up to a tabletop position. So the knees will be about hip width, the hands are shoulder width, tops of the feet are down. Cat, cow. Inhale, arch your back. Look straight ahead. Exhale, round the spine, cat back. Two more times. Inhale, open up, breathe in a little extra at the top. And exhale, press the tops of the feet down, round the back. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat back. Neutral spine. Tuck your toes. Make sure your hands are about shoulder width distance apart. You might walk them forward about an inch or so. Index fingers point straight ahead. The rest of the fingers splay out. Shoulders away from the ears. Draw the core in now. Inhale. Press into the hands. Lift the knees. Lift your hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana in Sanskrit. Let's bend one knee at a time as you press the opposite heel down. You should feel this in the entire back body. Do your best to keep the weight in the front part of your hands, meaning you're not trying to sink too much into the palm or into the heel part of the palms. Continue to focus on the breath and what you feel right here, right now. Let's find a moment of stillness. Separate your feet about hip width. Lift up onto your toes, and on an exhale, press the heels down. Press into the hands. Let the head and the neck relax. Breathe. Bring awareness to the breath. Bring awareness to what you feel right now. Try not to let the mind wander. Lower your knees to the mat. Untuck the toes. One cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral spine. Sit back onto your heels and bring your feet out to one side and in front of you. Let's bring the soles of the feet together. The knees are apart. Sit up tall and hold on to the outsides of your feet. Just have your feet a comfortable distance away from you. Roll the shoulders down. Give yourself a moment to arrive. Exhale. Fold over your legs. You can put a prop or a pillow here. Do your best to breathe completely in and out through the nose. Sit up. Place your feet on the mat in front of you. Your hands will be behind you. Fingertips are pointing toward the heels, about hip width with the legs. Reverse tabletop. Press into your feet. Press into your hands. Try not to let the knees splay. And lift your hips. The neck can open up if that's okay with you. Carefully sit back down. Extend your legs out in front of you. Let's keep the knees soft, the feet lightly flexed. Sit up tall, and we will fold forward over the legs. Oh, hey, Gator. Let's thread our hands underneath the knees and let the spine round. Whatever is available here, if you might need blocks or whatever, just keep this available. Know that the practice is just about feeling good and doing it a lot. Like just every day, a little bit every day. I didn't mean to say a lot. A little bit at a time. Just 10 minutes will make a difference. Use your hands to help you to sit up. Cross your feet at the ankles or sit any way that is comfortable as long as you are sitting up tall. Roll the shoulders back and down. Loosen up the neck. And then again, roll the shoulders back and down. Sit up tall. On an inhale, lift your arms overhead. Twist to the right. Float the hands down. The right hand is behind you, the left hand to the right knee. Press into the right hand as you pull with the left. Try to sit up straight. Lead with the shoulder, not your head. We want to twist the torso and breathe. Release. Arms lift overhead. Breathe in. Try to stay lifted. Twist to the left. Left hand behind you. Right hand to the left knee as you sit up tall. Gently pull with the right hand and use the left hand, your kickstand. Breathe. Release back to center. closing breath, reach your arms wide overhead. Breathe in, look up, lift up. Long exhale, lower your hands down to your sides or palms together. Take a moment to appreciate the time you just took for yourself, for the breath, for your ability to move. And until next time, wait, we have to namaste. Inhale, reach your arms wide overhead. I got all excited just saying thank you and thanks for being here. Inhale, lift up, reach up. Exhale, hands lower down. Until next time, namaste.